Right, welcome back, and after some trouble and some horrors, finally got it back together and looking pretty good. I thought the other foot might be broken as well, but it's not. It's just the rubber boot is very restrictive of what poses you can get it into. So I think the peg is a bit loose in the socket, so if it was tight it would probably hold like the poses better, the feet poses, but the one foot that I did fix over here is pretty strong. I'll just give you a quick little look around the figure. It does look cool still. Never really appreciated this figure because of the broken ankle. It does limit what sort of standing poses you can get it into. Even with it fixed, it's a little bit wobbly. It's quite a good balanced figure, and the body is really poseable. It's a really nice figure to pose if you've got a dynamic stand or you've not got broken ankles. It's a cool figure to play with. But I'll just show you, if I can, what I mean about the feet. The boots. See that it just springs. I mean, it's holding pretty well there actually. The other one just springs back, and that's because of the rubber. But he's fixed, and just a bit of nice timing. Kitchen posted on Facebook today or tonight that he will be selling the dynamic stands for £22. I think it is, or $22. Yeah, $22. So £18 delivered from China. So if you're after one of those, get onto 1/6 kit, which I will be doing as soon as I get some money. And I'll be getting a dynamic stand, I think. It'd be cool if they'd done it with some sort of translucent waist grabber, you know, that'd be quite cool, so you don't really obstruct the view of the figure. But I'm sure there's another way of clamping a stand onto a figure. I was thinking about drilling a hole in the back of the suit and suspending the figure that way, but I don't really want to damage the suit if I can help it. You can see down here, oh, you might not be able to see too much. It was a bit of a bugger trying to get that sock back on the boot, because it was glued down originally, so I took all the glue off, and I didn't really bother gluing anything back together. It came out pretty well. Just a little bit tricky tucking all the bits of material in. See, it's a bit funny at the edge there, but it's only minor. He's poseable now, so cool. Happy with that. So, all's well, ends well. No more scary stories tonight. Thanks for watching, and hope this might have helped somebody. If you're got the same problem or had the same problem, there is a solution. As the man said, no problems, only solutions. See you later.